Ageless elegance, timeless wellness, unleashing exotic weight loss. Let's go, Janet.
Janet here from the Obesity Prevention Center. Exotic tastes, exponential results, weight loss solutions for every age. The worldwide rise in obesity poses a complex challenge. With tailored nutrition strategies and exotic ingredients from around the globe, sustainable weight loss solutions become possible at every stage of life. By embracing diverse flavors and age-appropriate tactics, we can craft fulfilling, flavorful diets for lifelong health. The global challenge of weight management. Obesity has nearly tripled worldwide since 1975, with 39% of adults now overweight or obese. This epidemic drives an urgent need for accessible weight loss strategies. However, one-size-fits-all approaches often prove ineffective long-term. Lasting success requires personalized plans that account for metabolic changes across our lifespans. Importance of tailored approaches. Generalized weight loss schemes frequently fail because they ignore individual needs. Youth may benefit from metabolism-boosting foods to counteract sedentary lifestyles. Middle-aged adults need ingredient combinations that increase satiety and balance hormones as metabolism slows. Seniors should emphasize anti-inflammatory eats to support joint health. No single diet universally addresses the spectrum of concerns. Fortunately, exotic ingredients from around the world provide customizable solutions. Embracing exotic tastes for weight loss. When strategically incorporated, exotic foods become metabolic powerhouses for weight loss. Rather than restrictive diets, global gastronomy offers an abundance of slimming, nutrient-dense eats across cultures. Exploring beyond our culinary comfort zones and discovering new flavors allows us to create diverse menus that cater to personal preferences and health objectives. A world of possibilities awaits. The science behind exotic foods and weight loss. Many exotic foods boast unique nutritional profiles that can optimize health. Compounds in green tea and seaweed may enhance fat breakdown. Spices like cayenne and cinnamon can boost thermogenesis. Tart cherries contain melatonin to regulate circadian rhythms and sleep. Fermented foods harbor probiotics to improve digestion and reduce bloating. The scientific evidence demonstrates these extraordinary eats provide personalized solutions. Exploring unique nutritional profiles. The exotic ingredients utilized worldwide supply nutrients not easily found in traditional American staples. Chickpeas offer sustained energy with protein, fiber, and iron. Quinoa contains complete protein alongside magnesium, lysine, and manganese. Brazil nuts provide selenium, while chia seeds offer calcium, omega-3s, and zinc. Taking inspiration from global cuisines allows us to maximize nutritional diversity for weight management. Impact of exotic ingredients on metabolism. Many exotic foods influence weight loss on a biochemical level. Cayenne and ginger contain capsaicin and gingerols to stimulate thermogenesis. Bitter melon increases glucose transport. Pectin in dragon fruit releases satiety hormones like CCK. Seaweed is rich in fucoxanthin, which may prevent fat cell growth. These extraordinary eats help optimize metabolic function in very science-backed ways. Harnessing natural appetite suppressants. Several exotic foods contain nutrients that naturally suppress appetite. Soluble fiber in oats and barley promotes satiety by slowing digestion. Healthy fats in avocados, olive oil, and coconut stabilize blood sugar and insulin. Compounds in green coffee and matcha tea boost metabolism. Protein-rich quinoa and chickpeas provide lasting fullness. Using these globally inspired ingredients enables us to curb hunger and prevent overeating. Age-appropriate strategies. To achieve ongoing weight loss, nutrition tactics should evolve across our lifespans. Youth, middle age, and seniors all have unique needs an exotic eating plan can address. Youthful metabolism boosters from around the world. For young adults, an exotic diet rich in thermogenic spices may counteract sedentary lifestyles. Dynamic ingredients like cayenne, cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric can increase resting metabolism through stimulation of brown fat. Tart cherries and matcha provide melatonin and antioxidants for sustained energy. High-protein chickpeas and quinoa fuel activity. Global flavors add zest while driving a faster metabolism. Middle age and exotic superfoods. Bridging nutritional gaps with muscle loss and slowing digestion. Middle age brings new nutritional requirements an exotic diet can fulfill. Ingredients like quinoa, beans, and hemp offer complete proteins to protect lean mass. Child peppers and green tea provide vitamin C and polyphenols to reduce inflammation from aging. Avocado, olive oil, and walnuts provide good fats for satiety. An exotic eating plan fills gaps that emerge with hormone changes. Exotic ingredients for senior wellness and weight management. For seniors, joint support and anti-inflammatory eats take priority. Tart cherries and tropical fruits like pineapple and papaya contain enzymes to reduce swelling. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic all have anti-inflammatory properties. Chowders and bone broths made exotic with miso paste support collagen and bone health. Adaptogenics like ashwagandha and maca help manage stress. Exotic eating gives seniors ingredients to thrive gracefully. Global gastronomy for weight loss. Every cuisine worldwide offers inspiration for incorporating exotic, nutrient-dense eats into weight loss meal plans. Exploring global recipes allows us to craft diverse menus that never get boring. Mediterranean delights, olive oil, feta, and beyond. The Mediterranean diet highlights slimming, anti-inflammatory staples like olive oil, fatty fish, yogurt, and chickpeas. Incorporating feta, za'atar seasoning, cucumber yogurt dip, and exotic fruits like figs allows us to reap the benefits of this powerhouse eating pattern. Asian fusion, green tea, seaweed, and fermented marvels. Asian cuisine brings slimming staples like green tea, ginger, chilies, and shirataki noodles. Adding hits of seaweed, miso soup, kimchi, and matcha allows us to harness anti-inflammatory, metabolism-boosting perks. Latin spice, chili peppers, avocado, and salsa for satiety. Latin flavors like cilantro, lime, bell peppers, and avocado make dishes tangy and satiating. Boosting heat with jalapenos, serving fajitas on lettuce wraps, and topping tacos with mango salsa and guacamole provides new twists. Crafting exotic-focused meal plans. Whether for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, exotic eats can be incorporated deliciously when menu planning. Breakfast innovations, latte bowls, congee, and more. An exotic breakfast may highlight a dragon fruit smoothie, shea pudding with exotic compote, or shakshuka baked eggs with North African spices. Congee porridge with mango makes a warm, ginger-infused morning meal. Lunchtime adventures, quinoa salads, sushi rolls, and spice-infused creations. For lunch, larb and summer rolls with peanut dipping sauce provide Thai flair. Ceviche with lime and chili is fresh and zesty. High-protein bibimbap bowls, quinoa salad with chickpeas, or a gyropia stuffed with yogurt keep us fueled. Dinner delights, tandoori grilled, miso glazed, and coconut curried. Dinner can highlight chicken tikka masala with cauliflower rice, cod miso glazed with ginger, or Thai coconut curry with shirataki noodles. Peruvian stuffed peppers with quinoa provide Latin sizzle. The possibilities are endless. Embracing a diverse approach to weight loss. Lasting weight loss requires personalized plans that speak to individual tastes and health needs. Fortunately, global cuisines provide customizable, exotic-focused diets to make wellness sustainable and fulfilling. With an abundance of slimming superfoods, metabolism-boosting spices, and satiating staples to choose from, crafting varied menus for lifelong success becomes deliciously achievable. Broadening our culinary horizons is an investment in overall health that keeps us progressing toward our goals with each savory bite. The exotic path promises transformative possibilities for well-being at every age. Let's start this journey today.
Awesome, Janet. Thank you. For our viewers, we encourage you to keep losing weight with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.